Friends, in this video, you'll find a number of questions and answers regarding world history. These are important and selected questions which you may face in all competitive examinations. Question number 1. Where did the first industrial revolution start? Great Britain. When did Julius Caesar first invade Britain? August 26, 55 BC. Who was the emperor of Russia during Russian Revolution? Tsar Nicholas II. Which civilization is considered as the oldest civilization in the world? Mesopotamian civilization. When did Marco Polo travel from Europe to Asia? 1271 to 1295. Which country did Greek historian Herodotus call gift of the Nile? Egypt. In which period did American Revolution occur? Between 1765 and 1783. When was Rome founded? 21st April 753 BC. Who was the first person to sail around the world? Ferdinand Magellan. During the American Civil War, who was the President of America? Abraham Lincoln. When did the Chinese Revolution take place? 1948 to 1952. When did Alexander the Great serve as the king of Macedonia? 336 BC. The Bolshevik group in Russian Revolution was led by whom? Vladimir Lenin. In which country did the first Marxist revolution take place? Russia. Who was the Commander General of Italy during World War II? Benito Mussolini. When is the Independence Day of United States? 4th July 1776. The Great Economic Depression happened in which year? In which country Aztec civilization originated? Mexico. Which country started the first newspaper in the world? China. Who was the leader of the German military in World War II? Adolf Hitler. Who wrote Iliad and Odyssey? Homer. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Who started to spread Christianity throughout the Roman world? St. Paul. Who was the king during the French Revolution? Louis XVI. Ancient Mesopotamia was located in which country? Iraq. In which year was the Battle of Waterloo fought? June 18, 1815. SAARC consists of how many members? 8 member countries. Who was the last emperor of Rome? Flavius Romulus Augustus. In which year was the United Nations formed? 1945. Which country has the oldest dynasty still ruling? Japan. Which famous world leader was accused at the Rivonia trial? Nelson Mandela. When was Brazil discovered? 1500. Which country had the first Women's Institute? Canada. Who is the father of modern medicine? Hippocrates. When was the Independence Day of Bangladesh? 26th March 1971. Who discovered India? Vasco da Gama in May 20, 1498. When was the Independence Day of Sri Lanka? 4th February 1948. When was Habeas Corpus Act passed? 1679. Who is considered as the master of Greek comedy? Aristophanes. When was East India Company formed? December 31, 1600. What is the name of the first Roman emperor? Gaius, Octavius, Thurinus. When did the ancient Olympic Games start? 776 BC. When did the World War I start and end? 28 July 1914 to 11 November 1918. What is the revolt of the Netherlands called? 80 Years of War. When did Christopher Columbus discover America? 1492. Which civilization is river Euphrates and river Tigris associated with? Mesopotamian civilization. Who is known as the father of history? Herodotus. When did World War II start and end? 1st September 1939 to 2nd September 1945. Where did the Renaissance start? Florence, Italy. Who discovered North Pole? Robert Peary.
We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video and you have learned many things. If you want a video on a particular subject, please let me know through your comments. And I will definitely try to make a video on that subject as soon as possible. Please watch my other videos to increase your knowledge. Knowledge is power. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye-bye. See you. Take care.